Hi guys, in this video we can learn how to add black and white effect and color effect together in a photo. Okay, then let's go for it. And for this we have to download black and white photo app. So okay, let's go for it. Click take a photo and fit the size. Click the tick mark. Okay, click the color, and I want to color this. It's all black and white now, so for this I have to click color and make the red circle to your point for coloring this like this. Click the tick mark for save this, and thank you for watching.